Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add phone number in your EA account, means electronic art account. So what you have to do if you want to add your phone number in EA account, here you will see like this options. Now you have to click on this your profile, and here you have to go to the account setting. Okay, now here you will see here your EA account, my account, about me, and here you will see add a phone number. Okay, so now you just click on it, and here you will see that your verification code will be sent to this email. Now just click on send security code, and here you have to enter the security code which you will get on your registered account email ID. Okay, now this is the security code I get. Okay, now click on submit. So when you click on submit, here you will see it will ask your phone number. So now here you have to enter the phone number, and click on the send codes, and then you will get the code and submit that, and your phone number will be added to the your EA account. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.